we have here the graph of 2 to the x and the graph of 1/2 to the x. The blue one is the 1/2 to the x, and the green one is 2 to the x. And the question is, how does the graph show the relationship between 2 to the 3 and 1/2 to the -3? So if we're looking at 2 to the 3, that's 2 to a number. So we're looking at the green graph there. And if we go and find 3, okay, that's a 3 right there. We go to the green graph, which is way up there. Okay, and that point is representative. The y value there is representative of 2 to the 3. Now 1/2 to the -3, if we look at the graph of 1/2 to the x, every point on this blue graph represents a point of 1/2 raised to some power. And so we're raising to the -3. So if we go over to -3 and go to the y value, we have that point right there. And that y value is a representation of the 1/2 to the -3. And so we see here that since the y values are the same, okay, so on the graph of y equals 2 to the x, an x value of 3 corresponds to a y value of 8. Okay, that was this green one. Plugging in x equals 3 gave us a y value up here of 8. Well, we see that the same thing happens on 1/2 to the x with -3. So essentially the same thing on the graph of y equals 1/2 to the x, to the x, not to the -x, 1/2 to the x, an x value of -3 corresponds to a y value of 8 as well. And so we see then that the relationship, of course, is that they're equal. Okay, the graph illustrates that 1/2 to a negative power is the same thing as 2 to the positive power.